Okay, this is my hydraulic press that I built. You've seen it in some of my other videos. I did a bit of changing with it yesterday. Underneath here, in this old generator cradle, is the hydraulic power pack that I've built myself. That's the control lever there, and there's a power switch there. Just on off. There's the pump reservoir tank, electric motor there, and the hydraulic pump is inside there. Now this can be used without an external power supply because it has its own battery there, but I have it running off this big 400 amp battery charger, which I kind of fixed up myself. It was in a right mess when I got it. So I built the main part of the press for must be 8 years ago, and it's still going pretty good. Now these two blocks of steel are just kind of, for when I want to straighten pieces of bar, like leaf springs and stuff, and this is welded onto the main body of the press, and that's welded in there. That's ideal for flattening steel bars when I'm forging. I've welded 2 bits of fucking 1-inch box iron, solid box on the underneath of there. You can see my other camera there in the background, which is something you don't tend to get to see when I'm recording videos. And I welded on 2 cross sections across the top there, and there's 1 long cross section on the underneath just there, and then 2 supports. It's to stop the whole thing from twisting, and it gives extra strength to the underneath. So I've got a piece of steel here. Let's start her up. I'm gonna be try this. Now, this is going to be awkward. kind of slow, but it does the job. And that's it. That brings it down, that brings it up, and that's neutral in the middle. It's just a very simple hydraulic yoke here. And just so you can see, this is my other little camera. Hang on a second now. Now you can see my other camera now. It's just a cheap camera I got from a place called Lidl. It's a 5 megapixel camera. Takes pictures as well as video. Right, what I'm going to do here is squash a capacitor off a small electric motor. Right, what I'm going to do here is squash a capacitor off a small electric motor. It went squish. Oh, the smell of it. It's just smoking. Pushed it the whole way through. All this weird looking gel stuff. That's it.